Alright, y'all, it is freaking cold out here today, but I'm excited about doing something, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. I've got a new Browning shift knob that we're gonna put on the 5-ton today. There's nothing too hard about it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. You take the old knob off, you put the new knob on. But the only thing that sucks is it's cold as heck out here right now. So, get the camera set up and here we go. See if we can't get this thing to unscrew. There's no telling which way it goes. Probably gonna mess it up trying to take it off. Oh, man. That thing is on. Of course, probably like pulling a damn tooth. There we go. Always helps when you turn it the right way. Awesome. That's gonna be real nice on there. See here, get here with a installation kit. Oh shit! Lost some small parts out. That's fun trying to find those. See here, is that? That's pretty. See here. See how high that goes up in there. Huh. Alright, let's see. Come on, back out of there. There we go. See here, grab this. Remember, everything can be used as a hammer. Everything. Well, that ain't good. I may have just broke this. Yeah. Yeah, I split it right there. But it's still use it. I may just need to do something different here. May need to just do something different. What do we need to do here? Let's see about getting it. It comes with these little bitty Allen heads to put in to tighten it down. It's got 4 of them, it looks like. No, 3 of them. Now, I did something a little bit ago, and I didn't film it, and I wasn't thinking about it because it was so daggum cold, and I was excited about getting it on here. And I put a new fuel sending unit on here because the old one decided it didn't want to work anymore. Of course, after 51 years, I'd have something that wouldn't want to work either. Oh, man. Let's see here. I don't know. I may try to file this down a little bit. Right here, the shaft is a lot bigger. I may try to do that, or I could drill the inside of this out to maybe fit. I don't know. Can't tell. Can't see how much it lacks. If it doesn't lack a whole lot, I'd just go ahead and drill it down a little bit and put it on there. But I think this is going to be, this is too thick
It's too much for this and that. Well, let's see what tightening these down will do. And I may do that later since it's so daggum cold out right now. Well, actually, that's going to work. All right, well, let me loosen it back off a little bit. And, crap. And we'll put the collar on. There we go. Now we can see here. Yeah, right there. That's where I want it, right there. Now, in my luck, this thing will, because it's only got a little bit up in there, it may come off going down the road due to all the vibration. Man, these things ride so rough, but they're so fun to drive. Uh-oh. That sucked. The cheap ass Allen wrenches that they send with these, I just stripped the damn thing out. There we go. And just screw that up. And there it is. Ain't much to it. Let me see if I can't switch. Yeah, there we go. Ain't much to it. Now we got a nice shift lever. That's gonna work out good. I want to put something on the transmission shifter, but it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. I'll probably have to weld a bolt on the end of it, but I've got an old grenade set right up on top of that, and use that for a grenade to shift from high to low. But there it is. That's the installation of the Browning shift knob on the 5-ton. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that like and subscribe.